Hey hustlers, welcome back to Moss Hustles. I'm Mussy, and it's awesome to have you here. If you've been wondering how to make serious money online in 2025 using AI, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm diving into 3 specific AI tools that people are using to generate real income. These are practical, actionable strategies you can implement. We'll look at how these tools function, the side hustles you can build around them, and the kind of money people are already making. So if you're ready to stop just hearing about AI and start using it to build your bank account, make sure you've got your notepad ready. This is going to be packed with value. Let's dive straight into it. Alright hustlers, first up is Ocoya, a game changer for social media management. Ocoya isn't just another social media tool, it's your AI-driven content strategy assistant. Imagine having an AI assistant that helps you create engaging social media content fast. Ocoya generates ideas, crafts posts, and designs visuals with AI. It helps you overcome writer's block and content creation fatigue. Ocoya's AI understands what resonates with audiences, helping you pump out quality material consistently. It lets you schedule content across multiple platforms seamlessly. Ocoya integrates ChatGPT-like technology to write compelling captions and generate relevant hashtags. This feature alone can save you hours of research and brainstorming. Now let's talk about the side hustle, starting your own social media content creation and management agency. Think about all the local businesses, online stores, or personal brands that need a social media presence. You can offer them a package deal, content creation, scheduling, caption writing, hashtag research. Ocoya can help you automate around 80% of this work. Freelancers charge anywhere from $200 to $500 per month per client for these services. Imagine landing 5 clients at an average of $350 a month. That's $1,750 in recurring monthly revenue. With Ocoya streamlining your workflow, managing 5 clients becomes incredibly manageable. You don't need a massive portfolio to start. Offer a trial service to your first client, using Ocoya to deliver amazing results quickly. Small businesses are often more interested in reliable, consistent results than a flashy agency background. As you get more comfortable with Ocoya, you can take on more clients without proportionally increasing your workload. You're leveraging AI to work smarter, not harder. Ocoya is an AI-powered platform for super fast content creation, multi-platform scheduling, and intelligent caption and hashtag generation. The side hustle potential here is massive, particularly in offering social media management services to small businesses. You're essentially becoming an AI-augmented agency owner. Definitely one to check out if social media is your jam. Next up, hustlers, we have Castmagic, a tool that transforms spoken words into valuable written assets. If you or your clients create podcasts, YouTube videos, webinars, or any audio-video content, Castmagic is your secret weapon. Castmagic transcribes audio and video files with high accuracy. It then uses AI to create a suite of content from the transcript. Imagine turning a single podcast episode into multiple pieces of content without manual summarizing. Castmagic can transform audio or video into well-structured blog posts. This is huge for SEO and reaching audiences who prefer reading. Castmagic also creates social media captions tailored for different platforms. It pulls out shareable quotes, key points, or summaries and formats them for Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and more. For longer-form content, Castmagic generates summaries and show notes. Accurate show notes with timestamps and key topics are essential for listener experience and discoverability. Now let's get to the hustle offering content repurposing services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Position yourself as a content repurposing specialist. Clients send you their podcast audio or video files. You drop them into Castmagic, and within minutes you have a transcript, a draft blog post, social media captions, and show notes. You then review, polish, and deliver a package of monetizable content back to your client. You're saving clients time and helping them reach a wider audience. For this service, you can charge per audio-video hour or offer package deals. Castmagic does the heavy lifting, and your role becomes quality control and strategic packaging. This means you can handle a decent volume of work without getting bogged down. You're leveraging AI to provide a high-demand service. The market is vast: podcasters, YouTubers, businesses that run webinars. With Castmagic, you're offering a comprehensive content repurposing solution. This is a skill that's increasingly in demand in our content-driven world. Castmagic is a fantastic tool to build that machine. Chapter 3, QuickVid AI-powered faceless video creation. QuickVid helps you create engaging short videos fast, even if you have no video editing skills and don't want to show your face. It takes a script and transforms it into a complete short video. QuickVid can add AI-generated voiceovers so you don't need to record your own audio. It automatically sources and incorporates relevant stock footage and images to match your script. The AI voiceover capability lets you choose from various AI voices, accents, and styles. This is great for anyone who is camera shy or wants to create content in different languages or vocal styles. QuickVid's AI analyzes your script and pulls in visuals that correspond to the topic. This saves you countless hours of searching through stock media libraries. QuickVid can automatically generate and add subtitles to your videos. Subtitles dramatically increase accessibility and engagement. Now let's talk about the side hustle using QuickVid to start and run faceless YouTube channels. You can create content about topics you're passionate about without revealing your identity. QuickVid is the perfect engine for this. Imagine creating a channel dedicated to historical facts, science explainers, motivational quotes, news summaries, or product reviews. Feed scripts into QuickVid, let it generate the AI voiceover, find the stock footage, and add the subtitles. You can churn out multiple engaging short videos per day with minimal effort. The monetization strategy is primarily through YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, or selling your own digital products or merchandise. The key is consistency and tapping into trending or evergreen topics. Once you have a workflow down, you could manage several faceless channels in different niches. QuickVid automates much of the video creation process. This isn't just limited to YouTube Shorts. The videos you create with QuickVid can be repurposed for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and more. You create it once with QuickVid and then distribute it widely. QuickVid is a fantastic tool to build an automated content creation machine. So there you have it, hustlers, 3 powerful AI tools, Ocoya, Castmagic, and QuickVid, that you can start using right now to build real online income streams in 2025. These tools aren't just cool tech, they are practical, income-generating machines. They automate tedious tasks, amplify your efforts, and open up new avenues for making money online. You can use these tools with zero prior tech skills or experience. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. Consider subscribing so you don't miss out on future uploads. Comment below and let me know which of these 3 tools you'd be most excited to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.